Want to know which indicators can help you make informed decisions in the binary options market? Don't know how to use indicators correctly and find entry points into deals? Or maybe you're wondering how to avoid false signals when trading binary options. Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. I'm a professional trader with more than 5 years of experience in the financial markets. I'm glad to welcome you to my channel. Here we make trading accessible and understandable for everyone, even beginners. Today we will talk about 3 most popular indicators that are often used by binary options traders. You will learn how each of them works and how they can be effectively used to make the right decisions. These indicators will help you improve the accuracy of your deals and minimize risks. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell so you don't miss new videos. Watch closely, listen sharply, and let's get down to business. So, binary options are a trading instrument where it is very important to predict the direction of a price movement. To improve the accuracy of forecasts, traders use various indicators. Today we will look into 3 of the most popular ones: RSI, Relative Strength Index, Bollinger Bands, and MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. These tools help traders understand when to enter and exit deals while reducing risks. Indicator number 1, RSI, Relative Strength Index. The first indicator we will look into is the RSI. This tool helps traders determine whether an asset is overbought or oversold. The RSI value ranges from 0 to 100, and traders typically pay attention to the 70 and 30 levels. If the RSI is above 70, the asset is considered overbought, and this may be a signal to sell. If the RSI is below 30, the asset is oversold, which may be a good time to buy. How to use RSI in binary options trading? Let's say you see that the RSI crossed the 70 mark from top to bottom. This may be a signal to open a short position, and if the RSI crosses the 30 mark from bottom to the top, this may indicate a price reversal, and this is a perfect moment to buy. Indicator number 2, Bollinger Bands. The next popular indicator is Bollinger Bands. It consists of 3 lines. The middle line is moving average, and the top and bottom lines show the outlines of possible price deviations. When price approaches the top band, this is a signal that the asset may be overbought, and a downward reversal is possible. When the price touches the bottom band, this is a signal of oversold, and an upward reversal is possible. This indicator is useful for binary options because it helps find entry points into a deal on trend reversals. If the price breaks through the top band and returns back, you may consider opening a short position. Indicator number 3, MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The last indicator for today is the MACD. This tool shows the difference between 2 moving averages and helps to identify a change in trend. The MACD consists of 2 lines, a signal line and a main line. When the main line crosses the signal line from bottom to top, it is a buy signal. When the crossover goes from top to bottom, it is a sell signal. The MACD is especially useful for determining the strength of a trend and possible reversals. For example, if you see an MACD crossover on a bullish trend, it may be a signal to buy a binary option higher. And when it comes to a crossover on a bearish trend, it may be a signal to buy a binary options lower. And now I will give you an exclusive diagram that you will hardly get anywhere else. The diagram on how to use these 3 indicators simultaneously to check the signal. Let's go. Step 1. Start with the RSI analysis, checking for oversold or overbought. If the RSI value is above 70, it signals overbought condition. The price may soon go down. If the RSI value is below 30, it signals oversold conditions. The price may go up. Why do we need it? RSI is used to determine whether an asset is overbought or oversold, which is the first signal of a possible trend reversal. Step 2. Check with the Bollinger Bands. Evaluating deviations from the average. If the price is at the top Bollinger Band and starts to return to the middle line, this may confirm a sell signal. If the price touches the lower band and goes up, it may confirm a signal to buy. Why we need it? Bollinger Bands confirm signals obtained with RSI, especially if the price touches the top and bottom outlines, which indicates a possible reversal. Step 3. Confirmation with MACD. MACD line crossing. If MACD crosses the signal line from bottom to top, it is a confirmation of a signal to buy. If the crossing occurs from top to bottom, it is a confirmation of a sell signal. Why do we need it? MACD finally confirms the trend direction. The crossing of MACD lines serves as a signal to open a deal in the corresponding direction. Step 4. Joint analysis and deal entry. Final decision. If RSI shows overselling, the price is at the outline of the bottom Bollinger Bands, and MACD shows a crossover to buy, this is a strong signal to open a long position, open an option to buy. If RSI shows overbuying, the price is at the top border of Bollinger Bands, and MACD signals a crossing to sell, this is a signal to open a short position, open a sell position. Example. RSI is below 30, oversold. Price touches the lower Bollinger Bands. MACD line crosses the signal line from bottom to top. Action. Open a deal to buy, as all three indicators signal a possible trend reversal. That's how easy it is for you to apply today's knowledge in your practice. If you want to learn more about trading strategies and how to trade effectively on broker platforms, subscribe to my Telegram channel. There you can find daily useful deals, trading which you can start earning yourself. Join not to miss it. Let's move on to today's practice. As always, after we go through the theory part, I show in practice what we have learned in order to solidify new knowledge. For trading, I have selected pairs above 70% payout. I set the three indicators. Just a sec. RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. Yes, everything is in place. So let's start with $100 and select a currency pair. We will see how the indicators work together, all three of them. As I've said, by using all three indicators, you can get more accurate signals. So, the first currency pair is the Omani Real Chinese Yuan. We see the following situation. The candles have broken through the top outline of Bollinger Band, and therefore there's going to now be a trend reversal. We see our RSI also crosses the 70 line, and there will be a trend reversal as well. But the MACD indicator is going up. The line goes from bottom to top, and this actually indicates the opposite. And yes, of course, there may be another candlestick in the uptrend, but Bollinger and RSI indicators signal a clear trend reversal. Most likely the trend will change. Let's see what happens. Well, friends, the deal went positive, just as I told you. According to my experience, when you work with three indicators all together, the probability of a positive outcome increases. Therefore, make sure to use this method. So let's move on. I increased the deal amount to $200. Well, we have a great situation up in here. US dollar, Chilean peso, all three indicators, Bollinger Bands, RSI, MACD, signal that the trend will now reverse. Well, let's see. It is possible that now the deal can go negative due to the fact that we have a 2-minute deal. Perhaps it will be better to enter here for 3, 4, maybe even 5 minutes. Well, let's see how it goes. 2 minutes, but keep in mind that you can take longer deals, 3, 4, 5 minutes. Well, another great result, a positive deal. Let's now remember the patterns we studied earlier in previous videos. I hope you guys recognize a dodgy pattern. Usually here a reversal occurs, which is yet another signal indicating that a reversal should occur. 4 signals so far. So let's go enter another deal. Well, I opened the US dollar Mexican peso currency pair sell deal. What do we see here? We see a breakout of the top Bollinger Band. There is already quite a lot of candles. Most likely a reversal will occur right about now. Next, RSI is just approaching the top border of the 70 line. So such an outcome may occur. So it must be taken into account. Here the signal is not yet fully formed and MACD says that we are still growing, and yes, we may still grow. Therefore, to play it safe, since I have, well, let's say one indicator signaling a reversal, the second one, which is RSI, signaling the same thing, and the third one is like 50-50, so I increased the deal time. Well, congratulations, the deal went positive. See how the RSI turned around and went in the opposite direction? That's exactly what I told you about. That's what indicator told us. Bollinger Band turned around, as I said. Well, here we also see that there was a total change in the MACD indicator. Now all 3 indicators are signaling the same thing. So, what have we earned today? We have earned almost 500 today. That's an excellent result, you guys. Use my method of working with all 3 indicators and make sure to share your successes in the comments. Today we have looked into 3 popular indicators for binary options: RSI, Bollinger Bands, and MACD. Each of them helps traders better understand the price movement and make informed decisions when trading binary options. Use these tools in your strategy and you will be able to increase the accuracy of trades and minimize risks. If you want to learn more about how to make money on binary options, subscribe to my channel and click the bell to stay up to date with new videos. Like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!